Importing DigitalOcean Droplet backups is a straightforward process that allows you to restore your server to a previous state or migrate it to a different region. To begin, you need to have a backup of your droplet, which can be created manually or automatically through DigitalOcean's backup system. First, log into your DigitalOcean account and navigate to the control panel. Click on the droplet you want to restore from a backup. Then click on the Backups tab. Here, you will see a list of available backups, including their dates and sizes. Choose the backup you want to restore from and click on the Restore button. If you want to import a backup from a different region, you will need to download the backup file from the DigitalOcean control panel. To do this, click on the More menu next to the backup you want to download. Then click on Download. This will download a zip file containing your droplet's data. Once you have the backup file, you can import it into a new droplet. To do this, create a new droplet in the DigitalOcean control panel. Then click on the Upload an Image button. Select the backup file you downloaded earlier and click on Upload. DigitalOcean will then import the backup and create a new droplet from it. When importing a backup, it is essential to consider a few best practices. First, make sure the new droplet has the same configuration as the original droplet, including the same size, region, and operating system. Second, be aware that importing a backup will overwrite any existing data on the new droplet. So make sure to choose a new droplet that does not contain any important data. In conclusion, importing DigitalOcean Droplet backups is a simple process that allows you to restore your server to a previous state or migrate it to a different region. By following these steps and considering the best practices outlined above, you can ensure a smooth and successful import process.